Hello students, today we are going to see some small programs on if else and switch. Let us see the first program. Now here the question is to find whether the entered number is even or odd. Now here we have taken the class name as EO. Now here we are taking the input in the variable n of data type int. Let us suppose that we have taken 4 as input. The control will reach here. It will calculate 4% 2. What is the answer for this? The answer is 0 because percent operator gives the remainder. It is not going to give your quotient. So here what will happen? 0 is double equal to 0. Mind it, this is true. What will happen? The control will reach here. It will never go to this part. So it will print 4 is even. Now we'll check this. Here you can see 4 is even. Now what if we are entering say 5. Here it will calculate 5% 2. Here the remainder is 1. So it will check what if 1 is double equal to 0. What will happen? This is false. So it will go to else part and then it will print 5 is odd. We'll check this. Here you can see 5 is odd. Now we'll see the second program. Here we have to take two numbers first and then we have to find its product. And then we have to check whether it is a Buzz number or not. A number which ends with 7 or mind it is divisible by 7 is called a Buzz number. As for example 27 because 27 ends with 7 and 35 is also a Buzz number because it is divisible by 7. Now here we have taken the class name as Buzz. Now here we have taken two inputs, namely A and B of data type int. Here let us suppose that we have taken the values as 3 and 9. What will happen? Int n equal to A into B. It will give you n equal to 27 because 3 multiplied by 9 is your 27. After this the control will come over here. 27% 10. It will give you 7. So 7 equal to 7 is true. Next 27% 7 is not equal to 0. So this becomes false. So true or false will give you true. So the control will come over here and it will never reach this part. So it will print 27 is a Buzz number. Now I'll check this. Now right click over here, second option, give the two numbers as 3 and 9. So here you are getting 27 is a bug number. Now we'll see the second example. This time let's see for 5 and 7. So here 35 is a bug number because 35 is divisible by 7. Now we'll take the third example. Let it be 2 and 3. Here you can see 6 is not a bug number because it is not ending with 7 or it is not divisible by 7. Now we'll see the third program. Here we have to print the month names depending upon the number entered. So if you are entering 1, then it should print January. If you are entering 2, then you should get February. If you are entering 3, then you should get March, and so on. Now here I have taken the class name as months. Now here we are taking the number here in n. It is of data type int. Let us suppose that we have taken 4. What will happen after switch n? It will look for case 4. So it will print April, and then after this you are having break, so the control will come to this part. Now we'll check this. You can see the answer is April. Now we'll see the second example. I hope that all of you have seen the full program. Now let us suppose that we have taken the value of n as 11. What will happen? It will look for case 11. Case 11 is here, so it will print November. After this you are having break, so the control will come to this part. We'll check this. We are entering 11, and here you can see the answer is November. Now let us suppose that you have taken the input as 21. What will happen? It will look for case 21 here in the program, which is not there. You can check it out. So it will go to default, and then it will print invalid input. We'll check this. Here you can see invalid input. Now let us suppose that this break is not here. Compile it, and let us suppose that you are entering the value of n as 7. So what will happen? It will look for case 7. Then it will print July. Since break is missing, so what will happen? It will come to case 8 also, and then it will print August. After this you are having break, so control will come to this part. We'll check this. This is also known as fall through. So here you can see July and August is coming. Thank you.